All right, we want to talk about the Quarantine Car Show. Today at midnight Eastern Time is the cutoff for submitting your ride. It has been a huge success. You guys are awesome. We've got tractors, we've got muscle cars, swampers, we've got 3 wheels, 4 wheels, 2 wheels. I don't think we have a 1 wheel, and I don't think we have a 3-wheeler. We need a Robin yet, real quick. And we need some helicopters and some planes on there, and a little bit of military. We got the most diverse car show ever. We've had over 1,100 submissions so far. If you've already submitted your rides, you can still edit your pictures. You've all been stuck at home for the last 2 weeks, and you've got the engine assembled, installed, you got the thing painted, you got it safety, you got new rubber in it, you got the interior in it, you've already done a test drive. So update that because we want to see those pictures. Go back to your submission and make sure that all your pictures are the way that they're supposed to be, that all your videos are working, that your links are all working properly. If they're not, we do have tech support available, so check down below for the information on that. Make sure that it's the way you want it to look, because public voting gets to start at midnight. So the way you leave it at midnight is the way it will be seen to the rest of the world. The entire world is looking at your project. So it is up to you guys, the public, to vote for your favorites. Tell everybody you know to go vote for your rides, vote in other categories. From there, the top 25 will get judged by their respective YouTube judges. You will have to go to their channel to check out the video on them looking at your rides. When the top one from each category is chosen, Stefan and I will join the judges and we will pick our mega boss. Thank you guys very, very much. It's been a awesome time reading all your stories, your backstories on how you got the car, who you're building it with, where it is right now. A great way to kill some time. I want to thank you guys for all the support with the merch. We made some specific t-shirts, hoodies, and stickers around the entire car show. And we've been able to raise about $4,500 US now. Now, we are not taking a dime of that. That is going straight to Doctors Without Borders. And I think 4,500 US is like 12,000 Canadian. So that is pretty sweet. I don't know how long we're leaving them up. If we're still raising money for Doctors Without Borders, they're gonna do awesome things even after the COVID thing is all done and over with. So all in all, guys, we already see this as a huge success. We've got over 1,100 cars, and that's amazing. It's only gonna keep growing from here when we do this again next year. If there's anything that you want to comment down below as to what we can do better or something that we didn't consider, definitely comment down below. And happy voting this coming week, and happy scrambling getting the last of your things bolted together and finished up so it's presentable and your project car is done. Project car is never done. So big shout out to Jeremy, who's been working day and night on the website, making sure that everything's nice and fluent and going. We didn't even actually have a way to vote. That's why we had to delay the voting for 2 weeks, because we were building that while the submissions were going on. We really want to thank Summit for supplying the jackets for the category winners and the prizes for second and third place as well. Also, again, a very big shout out to all the frontline workers, everybody in the hospital and the healthcare system, everybody in the grocery stores, everybody in making sure that the shelves are stocked and that the trucks are moving, and everybody, you know who you are. The rest of us, just stay home and have a good time. Go to the car show. Here we go.